So instead of using Python, JavaScript, and all these hard programming languages to build your applications, you can actually use something very easy, which we call drag and drop. And when you learn it to power, two things actually. Number one, you need to teach others, and the fact that I started working with some kids, which is a coding platform for kids and things to build what we call now to build mobile apps. So Donkey is a platform for how many of us know Scratch? Scratch, yeah. So by the time you're done learning Scratch, the next thing we're going to introduce is Donkey. You can build a mobile app that you can actually deploy on Windows. Donkey is that efficient. So I was running around with something, and then I now found PowerApps, which is now for the adults. So we have talking for the kids and then PowerApps for the adults. So yeah, it's okay. So this is what we're going to be discussing. Power Platform tools, which is a local, let me see, platform. And we have different locals to talk of BigML. How many of us use BigML? BigML. Or how many of us have heard about BigML? Yeah, it's a very good tool also to use to your operation very quickly. You put your data, you throw it back to you with your model. It's very efficient. Same thing with there's this application also. It's not one application, it's a website called Stable Machine. And also do people computer vision with Stable Machine. Through your what is it called now? Your object. What I didn't want to differentiate between a cat and dog. You load the images for cats on stable machine, you load the images of dog. It give this is a cat. So we're going to be talking about the Power Platform to extensively understand the data sources and then understand what we call app documentation and app documentation requirements and logic. And while this is actually very important to do as an app developer. And lastly, we are going to be doing so we are meant to actually create an app from the beginning to the end. But how many of us use Power Apps? How many of us use Power Apps? Just tested before. So if that's the case, that means I we just walk us through various apps that have played around with, and if time permit, because this session is just for 1 hour 30 minutes. So if time permit, run we'll build an app from scratch. But I think it's just better to show some of the apps that have actually been built with Power Apps, and then you can see what is actually achievable. So moving on to the next slide. So Power Platform use houses a lot of local. Well, that's not very strong. So Power Platform is like a house that houses different locals. You talk of Power BI itself, even Microsoft Azure, but there are five that are actually under Power Platform tools. The first one is the Power BI. The second one is the Power House. The third one is Power Automate, and then we have Power Virtual Agent, which is now called Copilot. And then the last one is Power Pages. You don't always recommend Power Pages because many people know Power Pages. Power Pages is for building websites. Power Virtual Agent is the new Copilot. And the thing with Copilot, Power Virtual Agent evolved from creating your single chatbot to Copilot, which is like generative AI itself. So Copilot is embedded inside all the other Power Platform tools. You will see Copilot inside Power BI. You will see Copilot inside even Excel. You will see Copilot inside all of these things. So that I can type, create an app for a task reminder, and the app will be generated automatically without even me putting a code. So that's how all these have been integrated together. So the Power Platform too, like I said, is the house. The can you increase the sharpness? It's going to be from yes. Okay. Okay. So Power Platform is the house, like I said, We have Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, which is now Copilot, and the Power Pages, which is for okay. So Power BI is for data visualization, data analytics. Power Apps is for building the apps, more like if you want to see the interface of what it is. And then we have the Power Automate, which is like the brain behind everything. If you want to do automation,
Yeah.
skills. So you want to automate, you want to increase efficiency, then you use Power Automate. And then Power Virtual Agent, which I said, Copilot, and the last one is the Power Page, which is for building websites. So all those things, before you be able to use them, you need a data source. You will always need a data source. You can't even build anything without a data source. In fact, you can generate anything, everything you'll be creating as an app, even the Power Page, the Copilot from the data source. And the good thing is that all those things are actually Microsoft too. So there's a way you can connect this to this SQL, we have database, we have SharePoint, we have a lot of data sources that you can connect to all these local tools. So you can see SharePoint online, Office 365, Dynamics 365, Microsoft Azure, SQL Server. So it means that you can pull your data from anywhere and use it with your Power Apps or your Power BI or your what is it called again now? Yeah, Power Apps and Power BI. Those are the two things that actually need data sources like that. And so moving on to business app documentation requirements and logic. So the reason why this is very important is because when you want to create an app, so people will reach out to you and want to create an app that can do this and do that. In their mind, they know what they want to do. For you as the developer, you also have an idea. So by the time you start building the app, you now start introducing another things. And by the time they keep coming with their own features, that's they are achieving some things, everything scattered. Because for you to build your app, you always need what we call a workflow, which is the logic. How do you move from this screen to this screen? If I click on the sign up button, where should it take me? If I click on if I want to do something, should I use a label or should I use a placeholder? Should I use a rating? So all those things is what we call app documentation. And so this is an example of what app documentation looks like. You will see this. So this particular app is called Slide app. I'll be showing us this particular app. It's an e-commerce application, what like Jumia, where customers can. Let me see if I can zoom this out. Okay, you do it from your end. Yeah, thank you so much. So the app is meant to cater for three people. The staff who is working at this company, the customer that are going to be making the request, and then the last person, which is the manager. So the flow is meant to be like this. The staff should update the inventory every time when the stock is running low, and then the customer should be able to place an order and also see some of the things they want to buy on the app. And then the manager again should be able to get the analysis of what is happening, probably at the end of the week or at the end of the day. These are the number of products that have been bought, these are the products that are getting low. These are what people are buying. So the manager needs the analysis. You will have the mandatory or optional. Should this be made mandatory? This is something we need to have up and go with. And then you also have another protocol requirement, which details what exactly that particular feature will be doing. And then you have another one called the testing component, which is on the Power Apps itself. You see something like model building app, gallery, testing videos, Power Automate. So these are like I would say the working tools. And then the last one is the platform, which is also like the Power Platform. Should it be Power Virtual Agent? Uh, should it be Power BI? So yeah, so I think we're now going into so like I said, the plan is to build a task reminder app, or it would be better to actually show us a lot of things and how to go about it. So let me stop sharing the screen and bring another screen up very quickly. or if possible, I can just share my entire screen able to move from one place to another quickly. So yeah, oh, this is tiny. So I will share this document with you. Yeah, I should be able to share this document. So the thing with building a local tool, most especially on Power Apps, there are lots of functions. Even though we're applying low codes, it uses formulas. It's just like Power BI, you need to write a formula. Do you want to navigate? Do you want to go here? Do you want to move here? Do you want to move here? So there's a lot of formula, but the formulas are easy. And once you know one formula, it stocks. You will know it forever. So there's a need for you to always document these things down. So that by the time you want to work on an app, you want to work on a sign, you just formula from where you have it written, and then you implement it. Because most apps, they all follow the same logic, they follow the same workflow, except if the app workflow are totally different. Except if they are totally different. But you want to use the text inputs, how do you show it? You want to use your item, you want to use your label, they all have the same formula. Do you want to get a prompt email, all those things? So it's very good that you always document your code. So you document everything. So once you have an app to build, just quickly pick it up and then yeah, that was not last month. I have replicate an app and I built the app in like was be a day or two. An app that's on a normal good day supposed to spend me maybe 4 weeks or a month. But because I'm not trying to replicate what I've done before, just put this, change the color. And that's all. Was so that is why it's very important to always document your code. So moving on to let me say showing us around. So the first thing is actually to get what we call Microsoft license. Before Microsoft used to give these things for free. They call it a developer account. But recently, we don't know what happened. So they suspended it. And for you to get a Microsoft developer account now, there are lots of processes. And that's why, yeah, so like I said, we don't really know what happened. So before you can always get a developer account, and all you need to do is just to keep maintaining that app. You need to keep using it at least once in 3 months. If you don't use it for 1 to 3 months, it will take like a while. So what Microsoft offers you, a developer account will offer you all the Power Platform tools. It will offer you all the Power Platform tools. Let me click apps. So these are the list of the apps, all apps. So these are all the Power Platform tools. So most people don't even know that Microsoft, it's just like Microsoft have everything you need to use, everything you need to use as a company to function. Talk of bookings, talk of analyzing your data, talk of scheduling things, talk of storing information, everything you need to, you will always need as a company. Microsoft will offer you. Outlook, in fact, there are a lot that we've not even explored. Microsoft Form, Learning, OneNote, OneDrive, all these things actually have their own functions. Excel, calendar, and the good part is they are all named. And anytime you say Power Apps, you'll be able to use your house, you'll be able to use your calendar, you'll be able to use your Google, you'll be able to use your OneNote. So if I scroll down now, you keep seeing all those things. Project, PowerPoint, Power Pages, Teams, Sway, whiteboard, word. So everything you need to function as an individual to increase your efficiency now. And as a company, Microsoft has actually offered it. So let me show us what apps looks like. So this is the first thing you see when you click on, or let's even load it together so that it won't be like I just jumped to that side. So you click on Power Pages. Yeah, and sincerely, one thing that has not been fixed is how let me say how easy it can be to actually work with this power platform in terms of how heavy they have the data. If you're trying to play around with this tool, most especially PowerApps. And another thing is they also do a lot of updating. Okay, so let me just go back and open this again. Yes, so I click on Power Pages of Power Apps. So once you click on Power Apps, this is where it brings you. First thing you see is let's build an app. Then what should we do? So like I said, if you want to use the Copilot, all you need to do is just to come here. There's this space here where you can type. Just type the app idea, create a reminder, create an enhanced box, create an e-commerce tab. The chart will actually be automatically generated, and I think we should also try that. So we have the home button, we have the create button. We are currently on the home page. So you have the create button. Once you click on the create button, it will bring this. You have your blank app, your database, your SharePoint, your Excel, and all these other sources. I mean the data sources. So what this is telling you is that you can now start building your app from these data sources. So if you click on blank app, it means that you want to create your app from scratch by yourself. If you are using database, it means that you want to generate the app from database. So database is also like a bespoke data source for Microsoft itself. And then we have the SharePoint also, and then Excel, SQL, different data sources that we have. And then we have this learn. So one good thing about Microsoft also is that they always give you documentation for you to be able to play around with that. If you need something today, you will make available documentation. It's very easy to play around with. And then we have what we call the app itself. So this is where you get to see all the apps that you worked on. This is where you get to see all the apps that you worked on. And then we have table. So table is also like another data source. It's more like a database. And we have flows. So flows is it's the Power Automate side. So we call it flows. Yeah. So flow is the Power Automate, and then we have solutions. So we have two types of if we want to create an app, there are two ways to be. Can either build a canvas app. Canvas app means that you will put your body by yourself. You will put your test label by yourself. You will put everything by yourself. But if you are using a model driven app, it will be automatically generated. And when you are seeing something like solutions, these are applications that have been deployed using data using model driven type of app. And then we have the chatbot. Like I said, all these things are linked. This is Copilot coming in now. And then we have the more options. So let me show you around Power Automate also. And then we'll see what and how it looks like. So this is the Power Automate. So Power Automate is just like Power Automate, like I said, it's the brain behind everything that you are doing, all the automation, all the flow that's happening at the back end. So you have the create your flow. So we have different types of flows that you can create. We have the automated, we have the instant function, we have the scheduled flow. Yeah, and then we have the desktop flow, and these are other types like process mind. So what these four things are speaking to is that you are trying to create a flow. Should it be scheduled, like you want it instantly, or do you want automated, like you don't need. So when we are talking about automation, we're talking about two things: action and the trigger. Like what should trigger is I want to get I want to know when someone's birthday will be. Like I want to create an automatic email to send to somebody when it's ready. In some situations, you won't use an instant cloud flow because that maybe it's not happening right now. You use something that is automated, something that when you get that page will be triggered by itself. That thing will trigger information. So that's what we call automated cloud flow. That's the difference between automated cloud flow, instant cloud flow, and scheduled cloud flow. Now, use the scheduled cloud flow. So that when you see that action happen, it will trigger the event. So yeah, and the good thing also about Automate is that there are templates already for you to work with. A lot of templates. Let me show us. mm, let's say let's assume you want to play around your emails from your Outlook. These are different. I think the sharpness has reduced again. So yeah, different. Little better. So so there are different flows that you can play around with that particular tool that you want to use. So Power Automate allows you. Okay, yeah, great. Thank you so much. So there are different flows that applies to different things. Like this is notifications now. So once you click on notifications, you will be able to see all the flows that you can play with. Yes, so send me an email. When a new message is added in Microsoft Teams, notify an email when a new file is uploaded to OneDrive. Email yourself new tweets. Look at this one. Email yourself new tweet about a certain keyword. So let's assume you want to receive scholarship advice. And so on Twitter, you can just go on Twitter. You will use this type of what is it called now? This type of automation that whenever a scholarship name is mentioned, I want to receive the details in my mail. So that is how this one works. Please email yourself new tweet about a certain keyword. There's also another get daily reminders in email. Notify me when a new survey response. Send myself a reminder in 10 minutes. Keep sending reminders every 10 minutes. So this is actually how these flows work. Let's see another one. See another one. Create a task, schedule a reply. So look at this schedule a reply now. So maybe somebody sent something, maybe you are going on a leave and you don't want to keep replying the mail by yourself. You just schedule a reply. By the time the mail gets to your inbox, schedule that immediately and the person receives a response. Forward emails to the chat, notify a team. So there are different things that you can do to automate all the manual routines that you do. So let's go back to our app so that we can play around to close this. Yeah, the blue one. That's how to it. How to it. Yeah. So let's start with this app. This shows that customer boutique app. This is like the most advanced. Is it even the most advanced? Yeah, I think this is the most advanced app that I have worked on, which is like it's an e-commerce application. You said the boutique app, the customer boutique app. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So once we go through all these apps and what we're doing, I think life should still permit. I'm also trying to rush as much as possible so that we create an app. So this is it's a soul style boutique app, and I used almost all the power platform tools to develop the app. So I'm going to play it now. Or let me see. Okay. So you also get by the time you open, by the time you worked on an app, this is where you go. You will be provided with this interface. So we have what we call the properties. The property side, that's the one on the right. And then we have what we call the component side, which are like the features. You will see something like, so this is screen, this is a chatbot, these are buttons, this is label, this is email, these are still screen. And then here, when my cursor is hovering now, this is like the tree view. We want to be able to see this interface. Here is what we call if you want to insert something, you want to insert an image, and then this is a data source. Let me even be clicking on it. This is a data source. Yeah. So this is a data source. This is if you want to insert a new component. This is for media. This is for media. This is to create a power automate. This to create a power automate. Then this one is formulas. You can see this one is advanced tools. Okay. Okay. So this is the side where we call the components and where you get to play around with all the features. So you can still come up here also. This is an undo button. This is like a save button. This is also another insert. Okay. So this is also another insert. So once you click on insert, you get to see all the components that you can play around with. The first one is a text label, followed by a big form, followed by text views, gallery, rectangle, different things to make up your app. So I'm going to be playing this app. For you to play your app, you'll see the play button at the top right corner here. Let me close this properties page. So what this properties, what the property pane helps you to do is that by taking a click on the picture, then you can come around here to play with. Let's assume you want to add color, you want to change font size, you want to change region and all. So this is where you come. So like I said, we're still going to, yeah, we should be able to create and have. So I'm going to play this. So Microsoft, this PowerApps offers you different mobile view to be able to see your app. So you also have a view of what you have built in. So you have different view, and we have two views also. You can create. Let me show us this. Even though it's one, yeah, it's one. Okay. So let's just play with this view first. By the time we create a new app, we're going to see the other view that I'm talking about, which is like an iPhone view. All these type of views that are not tablets. Yeah. So that's the second type of view that we have. So this slide that you're seeing here, this is actually a chatbot. This is actually a chatbot. If I type something here, hello. The next thing it's typing slowly again. This thing is switching. So what it's actually saying is, hello, how can I help you? How can I help you today? So I will type, I want to order a footwear. I want to order a footwear. Once I put I want to order a footwear, it's going to give me oh look at me, a genetic mistake. Order footwear. It's doing the same thing. This is another. Oh, let me see if I can refresh this. Place an order. So this was a chatbot that I built and then included it in the flow. Yeah. So can you see now? So I just refresh the chatbot. So it's saying we would like to know more about the choice of your footwear. So I've added sneakers, heels, flats, and which was the last one? Sandals. So I can have select the type of footwear I want to buy. So I'm coming in on the app as a customer. So if I just need to click on any of this. So it's giving me the full brief about how to go about the app. Thank you for telling us your choice. Please click on continue to proceed to the home page. Search by your choice of footwear. add to the cart, and check out to see your order total. Click on place order and submit. Then proceed to make payment. So that's the flow for a customer. So if I click on continue now, it brings me here. You can move back. So this is what quick bring. And then you can filter by color of what you want to buy. By the time you even remove something here, it's going to bring the list of what is it? The list of profiles that are available on the app. So I can filter by still loading the colors. I can filter by black. Yeah. So once I filter by black, it's going to bring everything that is black. Oh, the color is still not showing. This is actually one thing about PowerApps. It's very heavy. If your internet is not strong, you will really be frustrated. So look at this. Green. So once you type green, hopefully the images will still show. White, it will keep filtering based on your color selection. Or let me say based on your color input. So now the next thing is to proceed to how many quantity do I want to buy? So I can move this slider one, and then I add to the cart list. Once I click on this, continue shopping, it gets added to this cart list here by the right side. So I go on again, pick another footwear, add it to my check to my cart list, and then I still scroll. I want to get one more footwear. Then I add this also, continue shopping. And after that, then I can check out of this page. So once I check out, it's going to lead me to where I can now finally place my order. So here you will see these three things that you are seeing are the list of the things that I have picked from the front page. So I can still delete an item from here. Delete this if I don't want to buy it again. And if I click on this, it's going to fill it. So I make it in a way that it fills it into these boxes. You'll see athletic sports shoes, the date, which is today's date, the price, $45 is here, the other total, and inside there we have the quantity. Inside there, you can now put your phone number as the buyer, and then the full name, your full name also. So let me just add the number, and then I add my name. So with this now, I can submit my order. So once I submit my order, it's going to throw a notification. Let's see. So this writes into what is it called now? A SharePoint. I've not even talked about SharePoint. So I'm trying to open the SharePoint now.
Are you done buying?
Yeah. So it will throw a notification that you are done. So this will trigger, it will send an email. This should actually send an email to the let me open my what is it called now? My house. Application. So that yeah, it's here to throw the the notification. Let me move. I need to. Okay, I'll come back here. I need to move one more. This is not writing into. Let's see. Let me check my SharePoint. Let me see what's happening inside the SharePoint. It should be this. So this is what SharePoint looks like. This is where you create everything. I mean, everything you want to work on. So the name of this stop again. Enter, yeah, orders list. Oh, so look at it. Oh, it's blurry again. Yeah, still blurry. So the Power Apps actually write into the SharePoint. Like I said, SharePoint is the data source. You can get a part of it, work with your app, or you can also write into the SharePoint from your app. So what we actually have at the last 3 rows here is the check flat of I just placed an order, the date, and then the prices. So it's blurry, you would have seen it. And yeah, so that's all about the app, about the what is it called now? The Soul Star Boutique app. And then for the what is it called? This is still blurry, but I think we should just manage. Yeah. So for the staff manager now, remember one student and another the customer. The staff manager needs to get the notification. So the notification comes into the mail of the staff manager. So if I click on this now, yes, so this is the full details. Starting from the scroll up a bit, you will see yeah, you can see the mail subject. The new order has been placed. So the staff manager gets full details of the footwear that the customer just did and order, and then they can now proceed to do all the work. Are you coming to take it off yourself, or do you want to do a dispatch? So that is how all the notification works. And then I have the Power BI side of this whole thing. Let me see if I can quickly pull that up, and then we can move to creating a new app, or show us one more, and then we'll move to creating a new app. So this is the side where the manager gets to see. Yeah. Let me open this. Loading your report. Good. Yeah. So this is the report I previously generated. Just so that this is not clear. Can you? Yeah, I think it's going to be from here. Still blurry. So this is actually analysis of what is happening at the back end. This is sum of this one right here is sum of order total by full name. This one right here is, let me close this. This one right here is order by full name, the date, and then the title. So you get to see those that are placing the order with their price by the side, and then the date also. So the one down here is sum of order quantity by full name. And then this one is quantity of order total by type. So this allows the manager to make decisions. You get to say, oh, which of the sneakers, which of the footwear am I customer is going to be buying? Which one are they not placing order? Then you get to improve on your stock inventory. So this is how these things are linked, just like I said. It's a power platform. Power platform offers you everything. You can move from Power Apps to your SharePoint, from your SharePoint to Power Pages, and then you from Power BI, you can move to Power Pages. So everything is linked. Everything is linked. And the fun thing about this Power BI is that I did not also create this Power BI from scratch. From your SharePoint like this, all you need to do is to click on let me yeah. So once you click here, this integrates. So remember that your power app, the one right page, the SharePoint, but if it places another, or a customer places another, it goes into the SharePoint. Once you are done populating your SharePoint, all you need to do is just to click on this integrate, click on this Power BI, then you visualize the list. The report is generated automatically by itself. All you need to do is just to change your filters by yourself. So it will generate, so you can still create a report. It will generate it based on the data you have, all the columns that you have in that SharePoint list. You just need to start playing around with your own filter. Do you want to see the values? Do you want to see the prices? Do you want to see? So that is how it is generated. You can see view reports now. Can you see? Look at what it just generated. So this is how good SharePoint is actually connected with Power BI. To generate the report, and you get to see the trends. And I think this has even been improved, because the last time I used this, it was not even like this. This is giving you very good lines to see count of full name, sum of quantity. So all you need to do is just come here, then change your filters. Just change your filter. Which one do you want to see? Is it the full name? Is it the count of rows? Can you see? You just change your filters and then you are good. So let's quickly see another application, and then we now create our own app. Yeah, please go on. No. Stop. Yes. Yeah. Microsoft. So there's a way you can deploy an app for people. So the thing with Microsoft Power Platform is actually made for organizations. Organizations, like in the sense that everybody that is working together, that is the best use of Microsoft Power Platform too. Not that everybody will be in that tenant, we call it tenant, everybody will be in that environment, but there's all the other that you can actually join for people outside your organization to use. There are a lot of things you can your Microsoft Azure, Grant, mostly use their Gmail. Because another issue is if you don't have an outlet, it becomes very hard to use all those things. So there's also you can make use of your Gmail. So there's a way they do a lot of all those things. Yeah, so we call it tenant settings, environment settings, and all. Yeah, and so you just made mention of something that how do we get the inventory? So there's another side that is actually populating that. And let me see. Okay, let me come to this thing is covered by screen. Let me close this. Yeah, so that I'll be able to view this. Leave here. This one? Yeah. No, you mean anybody that's only my tenant? No, it's only my tenant. I'm trying to look for, so this is first time customer, and this one is this second one. I think it is this. Let me open this. So there's a side that populates, there's a side that the manager works on that populates the inventory, which is like if you want to add a new item. Hopefully this is going to be the one. History 65. Allow. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. So look at, this is the side. This is the side that populates. This is the site that application where the manager works. The manager can also search by the name of the footwear. Canvas. So if I type canvas, everything on canvas shows up. If I search for flats, everything on flat shows. And then the manager can also filter by color. This is what I was trying to do the other time. I think that one should also have loaded by now. So everything black comes out. Can also filter by red. Different colors of what we have here. So this is the filtering. And so to add to the inventory, the manager comes in this place. You click on that inventory. I mean, you click on that add new item. You put the title, you put the product category, put the product name, put the product number, put the price of the new product, put the discount price, put the color, and then you submit. I just closed my SharePoint. I would have quickly imputed something now. Okay, my SharePoint is still open. Let me just write for the sake of imputing something. Product name, so that we can just say discount. Athletic. I think this is 100. So color will be black. And then description will be, let's say, athletic black. So I submit. Once I click on this submit button, this is submit SharePoint list. And once I click on notify manager, this is a trigger that is meant to notify the manager that I have updated this inventory. What I just added now, very quickly, let me see. How much did I even give it now? I gave it coming now. Athletic 1089. List price 60. Athletic. I'm trying to find it because it will update here. Oh yeah, this is what I'm adding in the inventory. Athletic $60 black. So it comes as the first one. And then once you go to your SharePoint, so there's another SharePoint list which I have, which is the new inventory. So this is the inventory. This is the inventory that populates the newly added items. And so this data source is now what I used here, such that once I come back, the what is it called? The footwear will now be available here. So it's just like putting a card when the manager plays around, and then the customer will be able to play with this. So you can see this. So the colors are the what is it called now? The shoes are now showing. The shoes are now showing with their colors. So once I do green, all green comes out. Once I do black, all black comes out, and then as a customer, you can play around with it. So let me quickly show us another application. Yeah, just yeah. Yeah, so you do your so in that sense you do updates. There's something we call updates. Updates is like there's another app where I used an update. It should be coming up. Am I clicking? Yeah, let me see. this help desk tracker. This help desk tracker is another thing that will speak to your question. Let me open the SharePoint down. Help desk, help desk, help desk. Help desk, help desk. And it's just overwriting my so this is an help desk app. The whole idea behind this app is that people want to make a request and then we want to have the request being done. So in this situation now, because the keyboard you get to update. You get to update the item. So I'll put this on the tablet view. I put this on the tablet. So this button is a submit request, and then the other one is a track request. So can you zoom out? Let's see which way. Okay. So because it's a request ID, like I said, every folder should be able to do different things. So because it's a request ID, we want to be able to I just press again. That won't. So because it's a request ID, I want to be able to differentiate when somebody makes a request and then another person makes a request. Okay, so because it's a request ID, I want to be able to differentiate when you send in a request and then I send in a request. So I use a formula here. If you can actually see this, you will see AJ, and then what is actually showing is 2410 to 24, and then it's showing 1310 23, which is like this 2410 24 is today's date. Today is 24 October 24, and then this is like the time that we have currently, 1 hour 10 minutes 23 seconds. So this is another, it's like a logic that you can use to get a ticket ID. So in this situation, I use this code. Let me show us the code. So it's called concatenation. So it's called concatenation. It's blurry. It's called concatenation. So the formula is concatenate left user dot full name concatenate left user dot full name text and then date and the year. So the whole idea is that you want to concatenate the user name. I am the owner of this tenant, so it's going to show my name. That name is actually the first letter of my surname. So it is the first letter of my surname. It's today's date and then the time. So I can see the request now as 110. Request at 2 o'clock, then that differentiates our request with our first two name, today's date, and then the exact time that the request is sent in. So that's the logic around how I played getting a request. Oh, yeah, great. Yeah, so that's the logic around how I played with the request ID. Okay, so let me put my name now, and then I do a request for a pen, and then I put the request date, which is today, and then I also put the department. Like I said, this application thing, it works fine. I mean, if you are in a company, yeah, you want to automate all your manual thing, instead of getting a request just the app, generate your request quickly. So the request has been generated, and so there's actually, can you zoom in a bit? Okay, don't worry. The prompt has gone already. Yeah. So to track the request, yeah. So to track the request, I created a start date and an end date. This helps me to be able to get to filter by date. So if I do, let me see if I have let me put one here. I'm not sure I've populated many things into this app. It's not even loading. Oh, let me see 24. Can't even remember the name of the SharePoint. It's meant to show the list of what is it called now? I can't even remember the name of the SharePoint. Issue inventory. I can't remember the name of the SharePoint. So the only idea what I'm just trying to show is that this is how you can actually, let me do it this way. Let me show us the code for updating. Yeah. This is the code. This is the code for updating your item. So we call it patch. Okay. I've seen the name of the SharePoint. And that's this tracker. Okay, so it's this one. Yeah, so this is my request for paying here. The last one. Yeah, this is what I just added. 24/10, 2024, 13/103. Ajiola request for a pen at me. This is actually supposed to show. Then 24/10, 20. Okay, come in. Reset. Not started. So there's a gallery here. The gallery is what is meant to show the items. So there's a gallery here which is meant to show the list of items. It's meant to show the new request that I just made. So I was going to talk about the formula, which we call a patch. So a patch is what you use to update your if you want to update anything. Let's assume you want to do the status of something from let's say not started to ongoing to completed. So by the time you keep coming to the app, you change your not started to ongoing. You would have used a patch on your update status button. Once you click on the update status, it will change that particular thing, change the status in your SharePoint list. Not going can change to not started can now change to complete. Okay, you have 20 foot 24, and they bought 15 out of it. Then you input how many to remaining. So you update with your patch. So that's how it works. So because of time, let's quickly work on a new app entirely so that we can see the look and feel of how apps are built. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, so you need a developer account to be able to do all those things. You said? Yeah, I'll try and look for the resources again. So Microsoft suspended the usual way to get developer accounts, but there are new ways people now move around it. Once I see the resources, I will share. So this is the Copilot. This is the Copilot. SharePoint. There are two things you can use to view your SharePoint. So if you create a form, going to generate this for you. So by now you would have had your what is it called now? A SharePoint list. So let me just bring a SharePoint list. So I click on, so it's going to select a data source. So yeah, to give you different data sources to work with. So let me type SharePoint here. Before you even finish typing SharePoint, you will see SharePoint as the first thing appearing. Well, this thing is lagging. Share, you said? Excel is more like a SharePoint. You can use Excel. Yeah. This is it. Excel online business. Excel is actually there. The last one you are seeing, that's Excel. So this is SharePoint here. So you click on SharePoint. You pick your own SharePoint site. So you'd have created a SharePoint site. Let me pick others list. These others, or let me do I'm looking for which one I can pay. Let's use other list just for the sake of this. Okay, I should have used the reminder. The reminder would have been the best. That features like what an attendance app would look like. Okay, this also works. This also works. So this is your form. So now we're building app already. This is your form. And at this stage, you have almost everything you need. So to see what you have, by the time you close this and then you try to play it, you won't see any item. You won't see any item. For you to be able to see item, you click on the form itself. So to click on the form, you come to this left side. Yeah, I think you can just zoom in. You come to the left side of the app. Okay. The left side, the component part. Yeah, and then you click on form. Yeah, so you click on form here. Once you click on form, then you go to what's even this topic again? So you change your data source to default. Default. This is even the formula. Default orders list. Let me even check the formula again. Default order list. Coming. I'm missing a code. Default. Oh yeah, default order list. This is always the issue. If it's not a comma, it's always an apostrophe. Oh. Let me see. Yeah. So this is the formula, default order list. So by the time you are done setting your data source to default order list, you'll be able to see, oh, it's even item. Oh, come item. It's not even the data source. I've changed the wrong thing. Data source remains like this. What we're changing is the item itself. to default orders list. Yeah. So this is what you change the default order list, the item. And this will help you to, if you put the columns that you have in your SharePoint, and then you can now start adding different things to this. So I can reduce the size of this form to just bring it up a bit, and then I can insert a submit button. I can insert a button here, and now you can now play around with it. So this is the full view that I'm trying to talk about. So with this now, you'll be able to get a full view of an app. So my time is fast spent, and there's a lot I was actually going to cover, but yeah, so resources will be shared. I'll try to share some resources and so on. What can be achieved with the local. Okay, so I'll take questions. Where do we start from? Okay.
Because thanks so much for the section. For the one that you talked about using Power Telegram to pass
Yeah.
emails from Twitter and likes, do we also need a developer account to be able to do that?
Yeah, you need a developer account. With Microsoft license account, like a subscription, either they call it E2 or all these things. Yeah. Or if you have any, Automate always comes with a license also. Automate always comes with a license. It's not like normal wish, not free. Okay.
Thank you very much. Well, that's actually one of the things that seems probably very exciting to me. So, you created this freelance platform.
Yeah.
Why should I do this instead of Microsoft?
So the thing is, okay.
Such one is, you said you need to behave your data because you have issues. So you can pushing stuff outside. For a customer that is, you know what I mean, that is using glue. Sorry for mentioning that. So I thought that you know how these people are creating, because these app have the ability to store data so that when it gets to where there is a network, it is sync.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks so much for your question. So the first one is, why should you use this Power Apps instead of Microsoft Form? Actually, it's going to be the same thing. What is it? Yeah, the same thing. You cannot automate Microsoft Form. In fact, if not because of time, there's something I worked on. Let me show you. There's a Microsoft forms. I created this. So this form, once you fill it, so once you fill your answer, so it collects answers. I mean, it's like a point. It is the name of the app is a generator. But it is a form. It's just like you have done training people, then give them an assessment. So once they fill the right answer and they score above 70, by the time they click on submit, it's generated as a certificate automatically. In Microsoft Form. Yeah, I think I should still have it. Yeah, this is the app. Let me quickly show us. Let me quickly show us. Preview. Enter your name. Enter your email address. Let me put this email. When I open this mail. Outlook. This thing is blocking my. I want to quickly run this. Have a copy. Okay. Yeah. Let me move this here. Oh my god, this thing is blocking my view. Mhm. No, don't worry. I've been able to move it. So once I put my mail here, I consent to this. Oh, I just hope it's this. Oh, okay. Nigeria. So once I fill this quiz assessment for 40/60, it's meant to actually generate
Yes, you are plugged in.
to generate a certificate.
Yes. She went for CDS.
Now let me also show you the. Let me show us the flow. I just hope the stuff is not redundant already because it's been long, guy. 40/60 should be able to generate correct 20 point, 20 point. The answer is 1. So while this is loading, the answer to the second question is how will people be able to use this thing if we are saying Microsoft is very heavy, like it uses a lot of internet connection. So it's actually from your own end, not from the customer side. The only issue that the customer can face is when Microsoft is down. I mean when their service is down. It happens a lot because Microsoft is always changing things. You wake up today, features of Power BI will not be available again, but it's going to be affecting you as a developer, not the customers. Yeah. So let me see. You're welcome. This generates certificates. I'm trying to see all my runs. So this actually worked 1 minute ago. Still has not generated certificates. Edit. Let me check the flow again. Oh, it's not this one. Nigeria B and 1. Let me try another score. B. D, B, and 1. I think I said the 66. It's not triggering. So what? This is supposed to. It's actually supposed to print certificate. Let me see if I can remember the new subject again. Time is suspense. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually what I'm expecting to see. This is the flow. It's meant to generate a certificate like this. So once I get the answers right, going to put the name you imputed in that form, then it will generate the certificate. I don't know what's happening to the flow right now. Let me see. Let me see if I can troubleshoot the flow. And the flow even succeeded. Look at it here. Minutes ago. That's it. DSN voice. No. This is not the flow. This is not the flow. This is not the appropriate flow. The quotes are actually longer than this.
For me.
The quotes are longer than this.
I will just read it.
Send an email. Quotes are longer than this. And this is looking very short. Quotes are longer than this. I can't even remember when let me see. That was like 7 months ago. This was in March. Yeah. So you can see this thing that is showing here. This is like congratulations on passing the test. Your score was 20. Please find attach your certificate. I can't see the flow again. Flow that made that particular something. So when you can do PowerApps, you can do it and you can automate a lot of things. Yeah, so it's a certificate generator. Once people are done with the training, you share the form with them. If they're able to get the cut, I mean, if they make the cut, then they already have. And if they don't make the cut, so tell them to try again. Go and learn more before you attend the assessment. Is there another question? So I can still move on. So let's see what else we can still play around with. Let's see what else we can still play around with. Okay, you have a question. At a time? No. Especially for if you are just working within a company, everybody can play around. So it also depends on the license. Yeah, that you are subscribed for.
Because all these licenses
They are different. Lots of them that Microsoft offers. I mean, based on pricing, yeah. E2, Sandbox, all those stuff. So maybe for Sandbox, which are like for developers, maybe 10 people can work on it at the same time. You always see when you go online, you see different. They will give you all the full details. This is what you get by the time you are subscribed for this. These are the number of applications that you'll be able to use by the time you subscribe for this. Yeah, so that's how it works. Let me see another for Power Page. I can't even remember. I can't remember. Oh, look at this. So Microsoft just sent me a notification now that something is wrong with my what is it called? The flow. And that's the certificate flow. The last time I actually played with this flow was in March. Let's see this fix my flow. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. This fix my flow. Reconnect. Okay. Oh, so a lot of my connections have been disconnected. This thing you are seeing here actually reconnect. Do I even remember my password again? Let me see. Where am I? Reconnect. Microsoft account does not exist. Enter a different account. Just a minute. Let me see. Let me see. Check it. I'm trying to see. Okay. So there should be here. That is even correct too. Microsoft account does not exist. Oh, no. Let's just move to let's just continue with our hub so that we can see uh some other things, or let's do let me see task reminder hub. Just a minute. Let's play around with some features. I want to see which one will best. Task reminder hub. Allow. This one. Connect like how? Like the network is using. No, it's yeah. So let's talk about how SharePoint works, because SharePoint is the standard task for all these things. Then we will create a SharePoint list and then use it to create an app. Because you can also automatically, like I said, you can automatically generate app with what is it called? A SharePoint or any type of data source. Even from your one business drive, you can generate an app. So let's talk about SharePoint. So once you get your SharePoint, the first thing is to create a site. Yeah. Once you will see create site at the top left corner here. And then once you click on your create site, Microsoft will give you two options: create team site or create a communication site. If you want to create something for your team, a team of 5, a team of 10, then you click the team site. But if you want to play around, you want to do something, you want to let many people use that particular app, then you want to do communication site. Because this one offers more, let's call it offers more space. So I'm just picking, I'm picking the, what is it called now? The communication site, just for the sake of this class. So after creating that, you click on blank. This is the process to actually create a SharePoint list. Use templates, and then you give your site a name. So you can just call it AI Bootcamp or something. If you remember the other time, I was trying to create this new app. Immediately I clicked on the phone, I clicked on the phone tab. Instead of phone tab, what happened? So the news to go, it's not for myself. You can hear me. When I click the going forward, let's create what is your SharePoint site. From your SharePoint site, that's why you see all the SharePoint site. Yeah. So you create a SharePoint site for every application. So you can either create, let's assume you want to work with different departments. You can have, as a company can have a SharePoint site. Then for every department, you can have their own SharePoint. Or you can go the route of creating SharePoint sites for different departments. And the whole idea behind this creating SharePoint site and SharePoint list is that by the time you want to make people, by the time you want to start using the application, so something even that company says there's an app I'm working on for DSN, want to use it internally for the finance to be able to track to it. So after creating the app, I realized that people can see, they are not sending the request. I realized that people can see what other people or other person is sending in. I mean, there's not privacy, permission, But when you want to the SharePoint side or a SharePoint, you need to know, okay, which of the best, which one we have paid later in the video. So this one SharePoint and then work with financial funds management. What we can create their own SharePoint and we find everyone wants special. Everybody under the permission. So if you can go ahead with that, by the time I can send my own request name, I won't be able to see what other person is sending me. Let's create a SharePoint. Yes, then we'll see how I do the setting now. We'll do how I did the setting now. So I'm calling this site name AI Bootcamp. So the description just for practicals. And then I click on next. You pick a language. Zero. Yeah, so this is how a SharePoint site is created. Now we've created our SharePoint site. Under SharePoint site is where you can now create your SharePoint list. You can create as many as possible SharePoint lists. And to create a SharePoint list, all you need to do is to come to this new. You click on this new. The first thing you are going to be seeing is the list. So once you click on your list, once you click on your list, what you are going to be seeing is a blank list, or pick a list from an existing list. Like you want to create a list, but you have a list already. So you want to pick from existing list, or you want to pick from Excel, or you want to pick from CSV. So they're going to give you these four options. So you can pick because you want to create it by yourself, you click on blank list and then you write the name of the list. So let's say this is a task reminder app. So I'll call it task reminder app 2 because I think I have one task reminder app before. Task reminder app 2. So the whole idea behind this app is that I want to be able to get reminders, get notifications about something. So I'll put maybe later. So after you are done creating your SharePoint list, this is where you reviews. And this is where you get to now. This is where your documentation starts. Okay, what are the things I want to see on this app? You now need to put it in your SharePoint list because you are going to be using your SharePoint list to generate the app. So for a task reminder app now, the things that will be needed will be the activity that you want to get reminded of, the date, and then the time. So now to create your SharePoint list, title is the first thing that you always see as default. It will always come up. The next thing beside the title is the add column. So once you click on add column like this, it will give you this prompt. This thing is blurry again, very blurry. Let's put up the lights. Let's put up the light. Okay, so it's better. So these are like the data types that we have on SharePoint list rather. So we have the text, we have the choice, we have the date and time, we have multiple line, person number, and all. So because what I want to get here is the activity, I'll just put next, then activity. So activity speaks to what exactly I want to do. Okay, so we'll be rounding up soon. And then for the date and time, because I also want to get date input, I will pick the date. I'll add the date column. And then the last one, so I call it date and time. So let's see, task reminder. I have my activity where I can put the activity I want to get reminded of. And then I also have my date and time. Yeah, I think we are good. So now that I have a SharePoint list, I can actually generate a task reminder app from here. All I need to do is to click on this integrate. Okay. Text. Yeah. So text is like one line. You can also pick multiple lines. You see text, multiple lines. Multiple lines is able to allow you to write anything. This is as on text. So from here, from your SharePoint list, you will be given three options. By the time you click on this integrate, do you want to generate this app with Power App? Do you want to generate your app with an automate? So the next thing is to, so if you create an app now, if you click on create an app, this will generate an app automatically for you. From the SharePoint, generate it. So this is also not even building what is it called? Building the app from scratch by ourselves. The app is loading. Yeah, look at this now. So because the app is generated automatically, this is what you are going to have. Yes, so it's not going to show anything. The next thing will always be to do your data, your item, descending. I'm coming up. Okay, because we've not populated the stuff. It's lagging. Okay, because screen is lagging. No, I'm connected. It's lagging here, not here. Device. Yeah, so you're actually not seeing what I'm seeing here. So the whole idea is that the activity and the date and time, you will be able to write into the SharePoint list from here now. Hmm? No. So sharing. Lagging here, not here. From your end. So you actually look into the share now. We're rounding up now. Folks, we are rounded up now. I just want us to say this. It's the connection. Okay. Yeah, so this is the title. The title is the first box there, followed by activity, followed by date and time. So with this now, you'll be able to write into remind me to eat. So you put the date. So we've not added there's still a lot to do. I've not added my submit button. I've not added my submit button. I've not added my submit button here, and even PowerApps is struggling here again. So what I'm just trying to achieve is that you can generate your application by the time once you have your SharePoint is ready, you have all your columns, you have everything, and generate an app automatically. And you'll be able to see everything, even without you putting your test input, without putting your test label, without putting it by yourself. So there are two ways to do it. Either you build canvas, which is like you want to put all the buttons by yourself, or you can generate an app automatically through Copilot, or generate it from the SharePoint list. So those are different ways you can generate an application.